I shared a lot of food here in my channel. A lot of them are also Filipino food. In this video, I want to share the top 10 Filipino food that you should try. Let's start with breakfast. Silog is a breakfast staple which literally means a combination of food with Filipino fried rice called sinangag and fried egg which is itlog in Tagalog. There's a lot of known silog combination such as hot silog for hot dog, corn silog for corned beef, bang silog for bangus or milkfish. But the best known silog are tosilog and tapsilog. Tosilog has tocino, which is a sweetened cured pork belly, and tapsilog has tapa, which is cured beef. This is the most famous rice meal for Filipino for breakfast, but there are lots of restaurants here in the Philippines which offers them all day round. If you're traveling in a group and want to have a great food experience, try to find a place where you could try a budol fight. Budol fight is a way of eating together which doesn't use any plate or cutlery. The food is placed in a large table which is commonly layered with banana leaves, and all the food are placed on top of it. Budol fight is previously a military tradition that became a tradition for everyone. In the military, diners do not sit in chairs but instead stand in front of the food while the senior officer will utter a command before the budol fight begins. Dinuguan is a Filipino stew, usually with pig organs and meat, which is simmered in pig's blood and vinegar. Commonly called pork blood stew, dinuguan got its name from its main ingredient, dugo, which is blood in English. Different provinces has their own different way of cooking this dish, and some Filipino even pair it with a Filipino rice cake called puto. The main part of Filipino party, lechon is a Spanish-influenced food which refers to a roasted suckling pig. The whole pig is roasted over charcoal and was popularized in the whole world when the late American chef Anthony Bourdain announced in his show that it is the best pig ever. I've been to many places who offers lechon, but me and a lot of Filipino can agree that the best lechon in the Philippines is served in Cebu. In a cold rainy day, Filipino crave for a really good hot soup. Best known soup in the Philippines is the ox bone soup called bulalo. Bulalo is a light colored soup made by boiling beef shanks and bones until all the collagens and fats are melted into the soup. Bulalo is native to the southern Luzon region, and it was said that the best bulalo is in Tagaytay. Visayas also has their own version of this beef stew, and they call it kansi, which is a little sour, and puchero, not the Tagalog puchero, which is a tomato-based soup. Pancit is a Chinese-influenced food, which literally means convenient food. With more than 40 variants of pancit. It varies from sweet, salty, with soup, and stir-fried. Commonly with noodles, it is a staple food in every party in the Philippines. Filipino loves to drink. With liquor available on stores 24/7, it is inevitable to see people drinking even if there's no occasion. Filipinos' beer matches, which is called pulutan, consist mainly of fried food, but one of the most unique pulutan is called sisig. Made from pig head, chicks, brain, and chicken liver, which is marinated in a sour liquid such as lemon, calamansi, or vinegar. This dish is a main staple in every drinking session. There are also other notable pulutan such as kilawin, which is commonly a raw meat cooked in vinegar, and crispy pata, which is a deep fried pork feet. Simply a boiled egg with a fertilized embryo inside. Balut is a common street food in the Philippines. Commonly, balut vendors sells it at night, but in some instances, you can buy this 24/7 in some convenience stores. It is believed that balut was introduced by the Chinese around 1885 and it became a part of the Filipino culture. Commonly, mallard duck eggs from pateros was used to create this street food. Philippines is also known for grilled street food. You can find it in every public market, night market, and food bazaar. Known grilled street food consists of neglected parts of the pig, chicken, cow, and fish, such as innards, head, foot, cheeks, and ears. Commonly with a choice of sweet sauce or vinegar, these are also known pulutan or even paired with rice. The last group of food that you should try in the Philippines are the exotic food. There's a lot of choices, from crocodiles, frogs, crickets, snakes, tamilok, which is a raw shipworms, itag, which is a preserved pork which commonly has maggots, abaling, which is a beetle larva, and uok, which is a coconut grub. A lot of food bloggers who came to the Philippines try at least one of this, but maybe you're the first one to try all of it. I do hope that you like this video. If you have any comments, please put it on the comment box below. I'm publishing new food and travel video every Wednesday and Saturday, 12 noon here in the Philippines. So if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified on my next adventure. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.